Last year, I ordered a trendy cloud couch online, only to have it arrive rock hard, sagging within weeks and shedding fuzz all over my living room floor. Finding an affordable, genuinely comfortable cloud couch on Amazon shouldn't feel like playing Russian roulette with your savings. Today, I am breaking down the top 6 cloud-style couches available on Amazon that I've personally tested and lived with. From frustrating budget traps to absolute sinking on a cloud perfection, I'll expose the flaws and reveal the ultimate winner. Let's dive in and find your new favorite place to nap. 6. Furnowell Convertible Sectional Sofa Couch. Assembling the lightweight frame and arranging the modular pieces took very little time, and a light gray fabric instantly brightened up my test space without making the room feel boxed in. It comes packaged with a movable ottoman that lets you easily switch the chaise orientation from left to right, depending on your unique room layout and door clearance. On paper, it hits all the right notes for small space living by promising flexible modular configuration without cluttering tight quarters. In daily use during the first few days, the breathable fabric felt reasonably smooth against the skin, and the inclusion of the ottoman gave me a decent spot to kick my feet up after a long day of work. The seat height and depth are specifically tailored for compact apartments, making it easy to stand up from while still providing a designated place to sit during casual chats with a visiting friend. For quick television viewing sessions or small apartment settings where space is at an absolute premium, it functions as a basic, straightforward seating arrangement that won't overwhelm your floor plan. However, during my extended testing over the course of several weeks, the cracks in its overall performance quickly began to show. Despite being heavily marketed as a cloud-style comfort piece, the cushions are noticeably firmer than expected, completely lacking that signature sink-in plushness that defines a true cloud couch experience. After just a fortnight of regular evening lounging, the primary seat cushions started losing their initial resilience, developing minor, permanent dips right where I sat most frequently. 5. DreamModern Modular Sofa Sectional Couch. Unboxing the delivery cartons revealed a set of lightweight modules wrapped in a soft, textured fabric designed to give off a contemporary, relaxed vibe that fits modern minimalist decor. Setting it up was refreshingly straightforward, allowing me to configure the various pieces into a snug L-shape arrangement that hugged the corner of the test room nicely and maximized the available floor area. When first sat upon, the chenille material feels welcoming and warm against the skin, and the modular nature means you can mix and match the sections to fit weird architectural room quirks or awkward wall angles. During casual weekend movie blocks, it offered a decent amount of initial surface softness that felt promising at first glance. The aesthetic appeal is certainly there straight out of the box, presenting a clean, unassuming silhouette that mimics higher-end designer sectionals without requiring an eye-watering financial investment. Yet, my practical, day-in and day-out testing revealed several frustrating limitations that prevent this couch from earning a higher recommendation on this list. The structural integrity of the back cushions left a lot to be desired. They constantly tended to slump backward and lose their upright shape whenever pressure was applied, forcing me to repeatedly stand up, fluff, and reposition them throughout the day. Furthermore, the light chenille fabric proved surprisingly prone to collecting pet hair and minor snags from everyday use, requiring aggressive, frequent maintenance with a lint roller to keep it looking clean and presentable. The inner foam density is also on the lighter, cheaper side, meaning that after just a few weeks of heavy daily use, the seats compressed significantly and bottomed out, making long lounging sessions less than ideal for your back. 4. Bed Luxury 112-inch Modular Sectional Sofa. Spanning an impressive 112 inches across, this expansive configuration comes equipped with 2 movable storage ottomans that completely transform how you utilize your living room space. The rich chenille upholstery feels substantially heavier, thicker, and far more luxurious than the previous models, giving it an authentic upscale look that instantly anchors the room and makes it feel like a high-end designer showcase. In daily practice, the inclusion of dual storage ottomans is an absolute game-changer for organization and versatility. You can slide them around to create an expansive, ultra-comfortable makeshift bed for movie nights. Dock them on either end to form a massive double chaise lounge, or pop open their hidden lids to conveniently stash away extra throw blankets, pillows, and living room clutter. The seating depth here is significantly more generous, allowing you to curl up sideways, cross your legs, or lounge back deeply without ever feeling cramped, restricted, or pushed toward the edge. The structural foam core used in this model strikes a wonderful, harmonious balance between supportive resilience and cloud-like plushness. During my testing weeks, the cushions retain their loft, bounce, and shape remarkably well, resisting any permanent indentations even after marathon streaming sessions and weekend naps. The reinforced internal frame underneath provides solid stability, meaning zero annoying wobbling or unsettling creaks when multiple family members pile onto the couch at the exact same time. Bed Luxury delivers an incredible amount of furniture value for the investment, successfully combining high-capacity hidden storage, flexible modular layout options, and genuine cloud couch aesthetics. 3. Grusign Cloud Sectional Boneless Couches. When the delivery boxes finally arrived at my doorstep, the setup process was delightfully stress-free and unique. Because it features a completely boneless design, there are zero screws, metal brackets, or complicated frame assembly instructions to decode. You simply unbox the heavily compressed modules, let them breathe and expand over 36 to 48 hours, and gently fluff the memory foam to watch it swell to its full, majestic size. The moment you sit down on this unconventional couch, you immediately understand why it proudly earns the Cloud moniker. Filled with high-density 30D elastic memory foam and layered high-resiliency padding using advanced 3D cutting technology, it offers an authentic, deep sink-in feeling that gently cradles your entire body from head to toe. The 380-gram heavyweight chenille fabric features an extra-long, plush pile that feels exceptionally velvety and soft against the skin, while surprisingly resisting everyday accidental spills, dust, and pet hair accumulation. Despite lacking a rigid wooden skeleton, the couch stays remarkably secure and stable on hard flooring thanks to heavy-duty Velcro connectors running continuously along the bottom edges of each module, ensuring the individual pieces don't drift apart or slide around while you lounge. You can effortlessly pull the Velcro apart to reconfigure the layout into an L shape, a U shape, or independent floating seating blocks whenever you want to completely switch up your room design. Every single cushion comes with a fully removable, machine-washable cover, making cleanup after accidental spills or snack mishaps an absolute breeze. The Grusign Boneless Sectional completely redefines what modern casual comfort looks like on Amazon. 2. Corsair 108-inch L-shaped modular sectional sofa. Right out of the box, this sectional delivers a completely tool-free setup experience that completely takes away all the usual assembly anxiety and weekend frustration. The heavy-duty vacuum-packed modules expand rapidly upon opening, breathing in fresh air, and within a short day or two, the couch swells to its full, wonderfully fluffy, cloud-like potential without ever requiring you to hunt down a single wrench, screw, or cryptic instruction manual. The absolute standout feature of the Corsair couch is its exceptionally generous 30-inch deep seating layout paired exquisitely with a rich, plush-ribbed corduroy texture. Sitting down on this couch feels like sinking deep into a giant, supportive marshmallow that hugs your posture, cradling your lower back and letting you completely dissolve the tension of a long day. The fine-ribbed corduroy fabric is not only visually stunning with a chic retro-modern flair that catches the ambient lighting beautifully, but is also remarkably durable against pet claws, everyday friction, and wear. It safely traps loose hairs on the surface where a quick, effortless pass with a lint roller whisks them away instantly, keeping it pristine. Plus, the thoughtful side storage pockets built neatly into the armrests give you a handy, reachable place to stash your television remotes, tablets, and reading glasses without cluttering up your coffee table. The modular flexibility of this unit is absolute top-tier performance. The lightweight, independent pieces let you effortlessly build a sprawling L-shaped configuration to fit your corner, separate the armless chair for standalone accent seating across the room, or configure a cozy, expansive sleeping layout for unexpected overnight guests who missed the last train home. 1. Carl Home Sectional Sofa. Measuring over 120 inches of pure, unadulterated luxury, this grand configuration features oversized dimensions, thick double-layer seat cushions packed with premium high-resiliency foam, and a deep 24-inch seat profile that delivers the ultimate floating, cloud-like seating experience. Built upon a rock-solid solid wood frame combined seamlessly with a sturdy metal back frame, it provides heavy-duty structural support that easily handles massive weight capacities without ever feeling flimsy, sagging, or weak. The moment you test the Carl Home Sectional, the superior engineering and attention to detail are instantly obvious. The smooth, premium chenille upholstery feels sumptuously rich to the touch, enveloping you in warmth, comfort, and elegance. The double-layer cushions utilize multi-density foam that absorbs your body weight gradually, creating that coveted weightless feeling without ever bottoming out against the underlying frame. The thick, removable armrests and the included matching ottoman allow you to extend your lounging space into a massive sleeper-style bed whenever you want to stretch out fully and completely unwind. Functionality and spatial versatility are baked into every single square inch of this design. Whether placed proudly in a spacious family living room, a modern open-concept studio apartment, or a professional loft office, the flexible modular pieces snap together firmly to form customized L-shapes or U-shapes tailored precisely to your design imagination. Maintenance is remarkably simple, and despite its grand, luxurious appearance, the modular sections are cleverly engineered to fit smoothly through standard apartment doorways during moving day. Carl Home delivers uncompromising quality, breathtaking aesthetic elegance, and supreme cloud-like comfort that brilliantly outshines every single competitor on Amazon.